Hello and welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I'm Chavi Sompura. Rainstorms trigger severe flooding in South China. Central and southern China were on high alert for more flash floods on Friday as the annual East Asia monsoon gathered pace and extreme rainfall threatened disruption in the world's second largest economy. Red alerts, the first for this year, were issued late on Thursday, covering the provinces of Anhui, Henan, Hubei, Hunan, Guizhou and Guangxi region. State news agency Xinhua reported, citing the Water Resources Ministry and National Weather Forecaster. Extreme rainfall and severe flooding, which meteorologists link to climate change, increasingly pose major challenges for policymakers as they threaten to overwhelm aging flood defenses, displace millions, and wreak havoc on China's $2.8 trillion agricultural sector. China's rainy season, which arrived earlier than usual this year in early June, is usually followed by intense heat that scorches any crops that survive waterlogged soil, depletes reservoirs, and wraps roads and other infrastructures. Damage was triple that amount in 2020 when China endured one of its longest rainy seasons in decades, lashed by rain for more than 60 days or about 3 weeks longer than usual. On Thursday, heavy rain in southern Hunan triggered the largest floods since 1998 in the upper and lower reaches of the Lishu River after its water level breached the safety mark by more than 2 meters. Videos uploaded to TikTok show the river spilling onto main roads and carrying debris downstreams. In the hilly metropolis of southwestern Chongqing, apartment blocks were submerged in muddy waters and some vehicles were swept away as floods gushed down streets, according to state media on Thursday. In some cases, the water almost reached the top of power lines. Nearly 300 people were evacuated from towns and villages in the mountainous county of Chongqing, where cumulative daily rainfall had reached 304 millimeters, with at least one local river swelling by 19 meters due to converging precipitation from the mountains, state broadcaster CCTV reported. That's all for now. For more weather news updates, stay tuned with us on It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.